Hey, what is up guys and girls? Today I'm going to be teaching you 5 ways to make passive income by yourself at home online. Now I handpicked all these techniques. I have done all of these by myself. I know that these all work. Now when I say passive income, I obviously don't just mean you do nothing and you make money. Some of these do take some work and some hard work, and then at the end of the day you will be making money while you're sleeping, while you're eating, and that is what passive income is. Now remember what I say, if it's too good to be true, then it probably isn't true. So you might be seeing all these videos like, oh, go to PayPal and you'll just get $100 right away. Now none of those are true, but today I'm going to be sharing 5 passive income jobs that you can do right now and start making some money. So enough talking, let's get right into the video. Now let's talk about the first passive income business that you can make right now. And that is selling your services. What do you do good? Maybe you're good at editing. Maybe you're good at making thumbnails. Well, people are making a living off of this and they're just selling what they're good at. Let's say you have a very nice voice. You can literally sell your voice and read words and make money for people. Alright guys, so now I have Fiverr open and here's how it looks. So as you can see, I have 3 listings right here and people are already messaging me. Now let me show you how to do this. First, make an account and just log in. Then go over to my business and then press on it and go to gigs. Now what you're gonna wanna do is press create gig. And it's simple as that. Just set up what you're good at and then you can also use other Fiverr listings to inspire you. So let's go right back to Fiverr and I'm gonna show you what I mean. Alright, let's say you're good at voiceovers or you think that you have a very cool voice that would be great for voiceovers. Now basically what these people are doing is just reading your text that you send them and then they do a voiceover for you. So you would just list your product or your service here and mark it down a bunch. So I would recommend to start with $10 maybe because the average person is starting with 15 or 20 or 30. Now go to Upwork and make an account as well. List the same service of voiceovers on Upwork. Then what they will do is show you jobs you might like. So let's say I read this description here. He says, oh, I have a long-term YouTube channel for my kids. Let's say I like that. I'll press like and then I'm gonna press on the gig. Now to show you, I do have no listings. I just kind of put my interest and I also have my account right here as you can see. So I'm gonna submit a proposal to him since he posted it 26 minutes ago. So now if we look at the description of his store, he says that he wants to not spend more than $40. We go down here and we're gonna put 35 because he does not want to spend more than $40. But also he does post 3 to 5 times every week. So if you think about it, that's 35 times, let's say 5 on the high end. We are gonna be making $130 just from this one job here. Now let's say you get like 5 of these jobs and you're editing videos at home. In total, that would take around 4 hours of work and you would definitely be making at least minimum $100 a day. So let's see, cover letter. I'll put something like, I have my own YouTube channel. I have been working for other YouTubers and I have a lot of experience with editing and kind of making content for people. So that is the first way to make money. Let's go on to the second one. Now the second way to make money passively online is dropshipping. Dropshipping is actually one of the main ways I make my money online, and you could scale this business to 6 to 7 figures. Now let me simplify dropshipping. You find a supplier, you advertise the product, and then the buyer buys it. But instead of you buying the product and shipping it from your house to the buyer, you are buying it straight from the supplier like Walmart or CJ Dropshipping and sending it straight to the buyer. So you do not have to touch the item once. Now there are multiple ways to dropship and there's multiple ways to get free dropshipping advertisement. Number 1 is using websites and apps like eBay, Amazon seller account to advertise your products for free. The second way is making a Shopify dropshipping store. Watch this video to see how I actually scale a business and make money dropshipping on my own website. Currently, we're in the best time to start dropshipping and it's called Q4. So right now you can scale your business to 6 figures within a month. Now the number 1 thing is to advertise, and that's how you can scale your business. Enough with all these boring ads, boring videos that you keep seeing on TikTok that aren't doing good. Now thanks to the sponsor of today's video, they actually edit ads for you and all you have to do is send them your product. They'll fulfill your order within 5 business days. What? How?
Damn, that's crazy.
All you do is send them the product, you buy one of their packages on their website, and it's easy as that. So just use the link down below and also get 10% off your first order by using my promo code. Now let's get into how you can get free advertisement as well. Now the free advertisement won't get you as many sales as buying the paid ads, but it also works pretty well if you are starting on a budget. So the first thing you want to do is find your product. Now scroll through TikTok, search up must buys, and that's where you'll find your product right away. Now this spooky slides have been blowing up on TikTok and they have been getting amazing sales on a bunch of websites. So what we're gonna do is go on to eBay, which is the example I'll be using, but you can also use Amazon. Now if you search up spooky slides, as you can see, there's a bunch of options, but these are all so overpriced and you have the cheapest option right here. That's mine. I'm at the top of the page. So I'm getting the most sales. Now once you press on the listing that you think looks great, you're gonna press sell now. So after you press sell now, you'll have the listing here, and all you wanna do is tweak the title and tweak the description so that it's your own original title and description. You can also just use the images from your suppliers. Now let me show you how to find a supplier. Now what you wanna use is CJ Dropshipping. You could also use Walmart if they don't have your product on CJ Dropshipping. Second thing you're gonna wanna do is create an account and just search up your product up here. So as you can see, I actually found the product or the item right away, and the total dropshipping price is what you're gonna wanna be looking at. As you can see, they sell it for $12.53 to $13.60. So all I'm doing over here is selling the product for $19.95, and that makes it so that I'm making at least $5 per order. Now I know that's not good, but once you start getting orders on eBay, your listing will be advertised much more. This means that you can relist it or revise your listing and then just make it a couple more dollars so that you can get more profit.
My bills are paid.
Now the number one thing I like about CJ Dropshipping is that they offer great shipping actually. Now you could also use AliExpress, but all of those don't really have great shipping. So after you list the item, just kind of wait and you'll start to get views and sales. Now I actually started this account 1 day ago or 2 days ago because I had to start a new account since my last one got banned. And I've already generated 2 sales. So that just shows you how easy it is to generate sales with dropshipping. Now let's get on to the third way to make passive income online. Alright guys, so the third way to make money online is actually starting a YouTube channel. Now how hard is it to start your own channel and start generating money? I'd give this a 1 out of 5 stars or 1 out of 10 because it is actually super simple to start your own channel.
Get the shoes, get the shoes.
Now you can post anything on YouTube and it will probably do good as long as your videos are great. So for example, I'm in the business niche since I have a lot of knowledge about business and I can actually teach people how to make money like I am right now. But other great examples are family channels or travel channels and even just like unboxing channels. So let's get right into it. I'm going to show you a couple of examples and how you can start your own YouTube channel now. So first thing you want to do is find some inspiration. Now for this technique, it's going to be taking you 0 time to edit since you'll just be editing in a video of rain or something and then edit over a sound of just like someone else's video. This is 100% legal and all you have to do is just keep on uploading consistently and eventually you can scale your channel to millions of subscribers. So to show you it's not dead, I'm going to be going to filters. I'm going to show you a couple of videos that have blown up recently. So as you can see, this person uploaded 2 videos right here, 19 million views and then 14 million views. These were both within a couple of months. So it shows you that this is actually not dead and people are listening to rain sounds. Just from this video alone, he has made $76,000. Think about how crazy that is. You could start your own business, your own channel right now and start making numbers like that. Now the second option is posting inspirational shorts. So as you can see, I searched up inspiration shorts and this short right here has 1.5 million views. This one has 3.4 million. This one has 18 million. And these were all posted within a couple of months. So as you can see, this dude started his channel 1 year ago by posting his first short. That short now has 29,000 views. Now the good thing about this is YouTube actually just started paying people for shorts. So you can monetize your shorts and start generating money now. Now the reason it's so easy to start a YouTube channel is because all you do is just see one of these videos, use a YouTube video converter or downloader, and just kind of cut up the video and make it your own type of original video. Then you'll upload it on your YouTube channel, upload maybe 5 times a day and separate the videos an hour apart. Then you'll start to see the subscribers and likes come in. Then once you hit 1,000 subscribers, which will take around a month of consistent posting, then you can monetize your channel and then you'll start to make money. So it's as simple as that. All you have to do is take an hour out of your day, maybe 30 minutes, and just upload. Now I think YouTube is the least time consuming side hustle or passive income way that you could start right now. So go start that YouTube channel, but let's get to the 4th passive income way that you can make money. Now the 4th way I would say is affiliate marketing. Look at these numbers. People are making thousands of dollars by just advertising links and people pressing on them and they're getting part of sales. Now the thing about this, it's like dropshipping except you don't have to do all that dirty work and all you do is actually just advertise the link. but basically what you're doing is advertising a listing from Amazon. Now what Amazon would do is pay you a percentage of that sale. So let's say you sell an item or you advertise an item that cost $100 on Amazon. Let's say someone uses your link, buys that $100 item, you'll be getting up to 20% or even more of that purchase. So I'll make $20 from advertising that link for free and getting Amazon a purchase through the link. Now the thing about affiliate marketing that I also didn't say is that it's actually not used a lot. Let's say you're on TikTok and you're scrolling and you see a cool product. He puts it in his bio. You are most likely gonna press on the product and be shown an Amazon account. Now almost everyone buys from Amazon because they feel like it's very trustworthy and they feel like they can trust Amazon. So that's why it's amazing to start an Amazon affiliate account as well. Since when you advertise a Amazon link, people will trust it much more. I'm gonna go on TikTok right now and find an example of an affiliate marketer. So right off the rip, I found an account that's probably making tens of thousands of dollars using affiliate marketing. So as you can see, all this dude does is buy an Amazon product on Amazon and just kind of review it on his TikTok. He has 250,000 followers and he averages around a couple of thousand views. But here and there he'll have a video blow up like this one, 4.5 million views. So as you can see, as he says, link in this is my bio. And then I press the link and this is what it shows me. All he's doing is showing the product and this is all affiliate marketing links. So if you press this, it'll go straight to the link and look what he does. He puts you to the product on Amazon. He's gonna be making 10 to 20% of my one sale. Now he probably gets thousands of sales and he probably makes a bunch of money just by using TikTok to advertise his videos. Now the thing I bet is that he has not spread over to YouTube Shorts or he has not went to Reddit or all these other apps and websites. So that's where you step in and you can actually use all those apps and websites to start your own affiliate marketing business right now. If you guys do this, let me know how it goes down below. But let's get to the final passive income job that you guys can start right now. So here's the fifth way to make passive income right now. It is actually shares and stock. Now what I'm talking about exactly is index funds. So index funds basically means that you invest a certain amount of money and it spreads across at least 500 stocks. Now there's a bunch of apps just to simplify this for you and make it even that much more simpler. That's because all you have to do is put your money into an index fund and it'll do all the work for you. Now, instead of having your money sitting in a bank where you'll make 4% per year or maybe even just decimal numbers like 0.04% per year, then you can invest into an index fund. So the average return is 10% per year. Now you're thinking that's pretty good. You're investing money and you have no risk of losing it. And you're making 10% return each year. So to make $100 passively per year, you would have to invest at least $12,000. Now let's say you don't have that and you only have a little fraction of money to start with. That is fine. You can start with how much money you want. But let's say you start with $500. If you start with $500, you'll be making around $5 per month. So basically it all matters how much money you have, but this would definitely scale itself and you don't have to do anything. Basically, let's say you put in $1,000 and it spreads across 500 stocks. It is auto managing for you and it has a very low risk. So each stock basically has $2 into it. Now you may be asking, why don't I invest into one stock so that I can make more money and more percentages? Well, that's because the risk is way higher. Let's say you invested into GameStop 2 years ago and you thought it was going to go up. Your reasoning would be, so many people are playing games, so many people are getting into gaming, so let's invest into GameStop. Well, look where it is now. It's shut down and you would have lost all your money.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Now why I also recommend this is because most people can do this. Maybe you're in a household that makes around $50,000 per year, which is kind of the average income. Well then I would say that saving at least $10,000, it may be challenging for your state and whatever state you guys are in, but it also may be easy for you and you just save $10,000 for 1 year and you invest that. And you invest your money and you invest a little percentage, maybe 10% of your paychecks. But once you keep on building your index fund and maybe get to $100,000 eventually, well then after 10 years of saving $10,000, you'll be making $900 per year in passive income. Now think about it this way. Each time you also make those percentages, you put that back into your fund. So you'll just be making money and then that money will reinvest itself and your money will keep on building. Well, that's what an index fund is, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now press here to subscribe, and it really supports me and helps me, guys. And then press here to see how I dropship for free. How can you dropship for free right now? Well, press this video, that's how you know.